Hello everyone, let's begin with the new question. The question says a cargo of rice was insured at 0.625% to cover 80% of its value. The premium paid was rupees 5250. If the rice was worth rupees 21 per kilo, how many kilos of rice did the cargo contain? Let's quickly begin with the solution. Now in this question, we are asked to find the number of kgs of rice the cargo is containing. तो हम अज्यूम कर लेते हैं कि कार्गो इज कंटेनिंग x kg of rice. Okay, so let the cargo contain x kg of rice. Now in the question, the price of 1 kg of rice is given as rupees 21, and since the cargo is containing x kg of rice, so what will be the price of x kg of rice? Yes, it will be 21 into x, that is 21x. Now ये जो x kg का प्राइस है that is 21x, this is nothing but the property value, right? कार्गो में जितना भी राइस है उस राइस की जो भी वैल्यूएशन बनती है that will be our property value. So therefore we can say that the property value in this case is 21x. Now we are also given that the policy value is 80% of the property value, right? So it will be 80 upon 100 multiplied by property value is 21x, and simplifying this further we get policy value as 84x upon 5. We are also given with rate of premium as 0.625% and total value of the premium as rupees 5250. अब ये सारी इंफॉर्मेशन को यूज करके वी हैव टू फाइंड वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स. नाउ कैन यू आइडेंटिफाई ये जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन हमारे पास है इसको यूज करके हम कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज कर सकते हैं? यस, एक ही फॉर्मूला हमारे पास, एक ही ऑप्शन है, दैट इज फॉर्मूला फॉर प्रीमियम. एंड व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर प्रीमियम? यस, यू आर एब्सोल्युटली राइट. द फॉर्मूला फॉर प्रीमियम इज रेट ऑफ प्रीमियम multiplied by the policy value. Now premium in the question is given as 5250. Rate of premium is 0.625%, that is 0.625 upon 100, and policy value we have calculated as 84x upon 5. अब इस इक्वेशन को सिंप्लीफाई करके we have to find value of x. So rearranging this equation we get x as 5250 into 100 into 5 whole divided by 0.625 multiplied by 84. अब ये जो 0.625 है इसमें अगर हम 3 डिजिट को आगे शिफ्ट करें राइट हैंड साइड पे तो न्यूमरेटर में हमें एक्स्ट्रा 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. तो x विल बी 5250 into 100 into 5 into 1000, और ये जो 0.625 है दिस विल बिकम 625 into 84. Now simplifying this equation we get value of x as 50,000. Now this means that the cargo is containing 50,000 kg of rice. Hope you have understood this. See you in the next video.